time to change the looks on this red Subaru. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to YK Recreation. It's another cold winter day. What happened is it's getting no hot air inside the car. Like when you turn the heating on full, there's nothing literally blowing out the heaters. So we're gonna go over and see what it is. Hopefully it's not a major problem. It should just be a wiring problem, but we're gonna go over and have a look. So if you put the ignition on, yeah, whichever button it is. Look, and you put the heating on. There's no air coming. Hold on, let me shut the door so that beeping stop. There's no air coming through here. No matter what setting you put it on, there's no air coming through here. So first things first, you check all the fuses. You check the fuses, put the ignition on. Ignition's on. Subaru IMPREZAs have two sets of fuses. You got your main fuse relay here. It's mainly for engine components and bits like that. But since we've got it open, we're going to test these. And the other fuse location on these is up here on the side there. So it's literally on the driver's side footwell, stuck on the side there. So let's go test them. So what you do is you literally touch this tester. You can buy this tester off eBay for a few quid, I'm not even joking. What you do is you put, if you're testing for live, you put the clamp on the earth, and obviously that creates a circuit. If you're checking for earth, you put it on the plus.
That one's out there, that one's not working.
That one's not working. So let's pull that one out. Okay. So we pulled the fuse out and it does look okay. So sometimes they might not be on, obviously, because of different stuff. So you just put that back in to make sure it's not blown, because obviously they work with different components.
That one's working.
That one's working.
That one's not working.
That one's not working.
Price for that one.
Need pliers for that one. Yeah, this one's fine too. So if it's fine, just pop it back in. Obviously, it's not going to be working at all times because the power don't get to there at all times. Go on, I've got it, I've tested it.
No.
No, pull that one.
It's alright.
That one's okay. Right, we're going to keep going.
That's a spare fuse.
Oh. So we've just noticed this free section here with the 10, 15 and 20 amp fuses. They're literally spare fuses. There's no connections underneath them. So if you are stuck somewhere and you need a spare fuse from a Subaru, you've got free here, mate. Let's check these two. Power, yep. Next one, yep. Always check both sides of it. Yeah, okay. Now let's go check inside the cabin again. Sorry about the beep, people. It's just the car's thing, but that's what the fuses look like inside the cabin. Because it's in a bit of an awkward place. We're gonna check these, and if you do find a fault, we'll let you know. So what we're gonna use is for earth is literally just anywhere on the car. That's anywhere that's on the body. Move this hand.
No.
No earth.
No earth.
Check another one.
None of them working.
None of them working. Right, so we've got a crap earth, so we need to relocate the earth to somewhere else. Move your arm. Let's see if that works. Yeah?
No.
No? Try a few different ones. Go down the aisle.
No.
Nothing?
Nothing. Nothing. Not even.
Nothing. So you need to put this somewhere under the car now. Hold on. See if you can put it somewhere inside. Because there's nowhere here where I can put it. There must be somewhere metal underneath there.
Not here.
Huh?
There's a nut here.
Yeah, put in the nut. Anywhere, even on the pedal somewhere.
No.
No?
No.
Must be somewhere where you could put it. Has to be metal though.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right, okay. So you found the spot. So where have you put it onto?
The metal top of the foot pedal. Brake. Is there?
Oh, okay. Yeah, so he's getting power from there. So let's test him now.
That one works. That one works.
So the inside fuses are mainly for the control of the thing. So you found the blown one already. See,
One
look,
side-
the
one
top
side
of
works.
yeah, one side of it works. That means he's getting power, but obviously the side that's blown is not going to get power, is it?
No. Alright,
So do you know which one it is?
yeah.
All right, here, pull it out. Remember which one it is. You understand now? You didn't know that, did you? You thought one side might work, the other side might work, but no. Let me test it.
Yeah, but
Drop it in my hand.
it's blown.
We have a blown 20. Now let me go get a spare 20 for you. Put that 20 in now. He's in a bit of an awkward position.
That's it now.
Is that in, yeah? So let's test it. Was it that one? Yes! Yes! We have done it! You see? You see? Let's give this baby a fire up. You see? We have sorted the problem. Hey mate, you're a good lad. Yeah, take my hand mate. I'll help you up. There you go mate. There you go. You're a good lad. You see? Teach them young. You never know, one day they might own a Subaru. Are we getting heat in here? Oh, lovely. Let's put it on my face, mate. Let's put it on my face. I want to feel the heat to my face. Forget my feet. Oh, lovely. Oh, lovely, lovely. I'm not even... Finally, my mate who owns this car is going to get some heat to his face. Because I'm telling you, this my man, he used to drive around like this. In the freezing cold. He never used to care. He wanted to drive his Subaru. So he used to drive around in the cold, freezing. He used to get a wet cloth, wipe his bloody screen, mate. He's a madman. But yeah, I'm happy for him. At least it wasn't a big issue. What we was planning on doing is rewiring the actual fan. If you couldn't find the fault, obviously, because it is a 1993 car. And the wires can be very corroded. But yes, it's been a success. So yeah, that's a quick little tip for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you think this video can help others, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Let's see what else we can find, what other troubles we bump into along the way.